Hi. The Czech Republic, clil 21. It became a separate state called the Czech Republic on January the 1st, 1993. The Czech Republic is a landlocked country. It borders Poland in the north and northeast. To the east, it borders Slovakia. To the south, it borders Austria. Germany is to the west and northwest. The Bohemian Massif occupies most of the Czech Republic. This consists of the Bohemian Plateau. The Bohemian Plateau is encircled by 6 major groups of mountains. It is made up of the historical provinces of Bohemia, Moravia, Silesia. It is situated in Central Europe. The main rivers, the Elbe, the Vltava is a source of hydroelectric power, the Jizera, the Ore, the Morava. There are also many mineral springs and underground reserves. The people. 2/3 of the population are Czechs. The Moravians are a distinct group among the Czechs. There are small minorities of Slovaks, Poles and Germans, and a smaller minority of Roma too. Prague. The St. Vitus Cathedral, Prague Castle, and the Czech crown jewels. Prague is the capital of the Czech Republic. The new town of Prague was founded in 1348 by the Bohemian King Charles IV. Prague Castle is where the Czech kings had their offices. St. Vitus Cathedral. The Czech crown jewels are kept here. It is a Gothic building and the most important church in the Republic. It is situated within Prague Castle. It contains the tombs of many Bohemian kings and Holy Roman emperors. The Charles Bridge, and here we have the Powder Gate. The Powder Gate. The Charles Bridge. This bridge crosses the river Vltava. There are 30 statues of saints on the balustrade of the Charles Bridge. The Powder Gate. This is one of the original gates to the town of Prague. It dates back to the 11th century. Wenceslas Square. On the 16th of January 1969, a student called Jan Palach set himself on fire in Wenceslas Square to protest the invasion of Czechoslovakia by the Soviet Union In 1968, there is a memorial to this martyr in the square. Wenceslas Square lies in the heart of the new town. It is not a square, it is a boulevard. A statue of Saint Wenceslas on his horse stands in the square. This king was murdered 1,000 years ago by his brother. The astronomical clock in Prague is medieval. It was installed in 1410 and is one of the oldest clocks, which is still operating in the world. It is composed of three main components: the astronomical dial that represents the sun and the moon in the sky. Every hour, the apostles, other figures, and death, represented by a skeleton, strike the time. The calendar dial has medallions which represent the months. There is a legend about the clock, which says that if the clock is not maintained in good working order, the city will suffer. Here is the clock. Here are the medallions, and here are the figures. Wenceslas Square, the Dancing House, and Jan Pala Memorial. The Dancing House was designed by the Croatian Czech architect Vlado Milunic, who cooperated with the Canadian-American architect Frank Gehry. The building is nicknamed Fred and Ginger after two American dancers. It was designed and completed in 1996. Carlsbad. St. Peter and Paul's Orthodox Cathedral. Aspar Orthodox Church, This is a spa town in western Bohemia. It lies on the confluence of the rivers Or and Tepla. It is famous for its hot springs. There are 13 main springs and 300 smaller springs. It is the most visited spa town in the Czech Republic. Pilsen, St. Bartholomew Cathedral, the Renaissance Town Hall, the Great Synagogue, Pilsner Urquell Beer Factory. Pilsen is situated in West Bohemia. It is the fourth largest city in the Czech Republic. It is the city where Pilsner Urquell beer is produced. The Gothic architecture of St. Bartholomew's Cathedral, the Great Synagogue, and the Renaissance-style town hall are all tourist attractions. The University of West Bohemia is the best university in the country for law. Now the questions, which I shall put on Classroom as well, and give it to all of you. Bye-bye.